What does your repair planning process look like? Are you looking up individual procedures one at a time? Do you have the most up-to-date repair procedures from the original manufacturer? Access to complete data? What if there is a better way? Now for the easy part. RepairLogic makes it easy to build a comprehensive repair plan by allowing you to look up multiple procedures at once, download and share them, and create a complete repair plan in 13 minutes or less. Conversely, leading competitors offer single procedure PDF downloading and sharing. RepairLogic, on the other hand, allows you to download and easily share the full repair plan. Plus, you'll have a link to the plan that is archived in RepairLogic and can be accessed again at any time. RepairLogic also provides updated procedures authorized by the vehicle manufacturer, so you can have confidence in the information. With RepairLogic, you'll get updates when a new version of a repair procedure is available, including any changes in an open plan. Plus, RepairLogic makes it easier to share genuine OEM procedures with insurance partners, leading to better communication and fewer supplements. Additionally, some competitor solutions are designed for mechanical shops and offer systems-based procedure organization. This means placing emphasis on general areas like the engine, transmission, and body, forcing you to spend valuable time trying to figure out exactly what needs to be repaired. RepairLogic offers collision-based procedure organization, meaning you know exactly where to look. Repair procedures are grouped just like they are in your estimating system, so using RepairLogic feels like second nature. This is why more shops are choosing RepairLogic for easy-to-share, comprehensive repair plans with complete, up-to-date OEM procedures. Ready to make the switch and streamline your repair planning process? Learn more about RepairLogic at oeconnection.com.